Power up anywhere. MARBERO Portable Power Station. Your lightweight, mighty, and SOS-ready energy hero. Meet the MARBERO Portable Power Station, the compact powerhouse that turns any location into your energy zone. With 88 watt-hours capacity, this sleek, 2.3-pound lithium battery bank delivers fast-charging AC, DC, USB, and USB-C outlets to keep devices powered up. Whether camping, working, or in an emergency, MARBERO's efficient energy management and overload protection provide reliable power. It's your go-to for portable, fuss-free, and reliable energy, all in one mini power plant. What makes MARBERO a cut above the rest? Dual charging options, AC or solar, make it adaptable to every situation. Whether you're at home, on a mountain, or experiencing a power outage, with a full charge, you're prepared for days. It charges itself to 80% in just 2 hours, and its user-friendly LED display lets you track battery life. The best part? With its featherweight design, it's the easiest travel companion you'll ever have. The MARBERO Power Station doesn't just offer power, it's designed for long-lasting use. Equipped with built-in battery management system, BMS, this power station guards against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. Thanks to high-grade materials and a cooling fan, you'll have stable energy even under pressure, extending device life. Whether powering your laptop, a small TV, or a flashlight, this gadget delivers durable, tech-tested reliability. When light is needed, MARBERO has you covered. With an ultra-bright LED offering 3 brightness levels and an SOS mode, you can confidently tackle late-night adventures, roadside repairs, or blackout lighting. This clever LED feature works for up to 90 hours on a single charge, making MARBERO essential for any survival kit. Plus, it doubles as a fantastic flashlight, perfect for exploring the great outdoors or just reading under the stars. Cost-effective and built to last, the MARBERO Portable Power Station is a trusted solution that rivals even the biggest power banks without the bulk. Ready for any adventure, disaster, or weekend escape, this device proves that size doesn't matter. It's the power within. Affordable, dependable, and conveniently sized, MARBERO is more than a purchase, it's peace of mind, one charge at a time.